Hi, I'm Grace from Fischer, and today I'm going to show you how to use the PHASCOPE paint.
This is the casing your PHASCOPE paint will come in, which includes the accessories you need for calibration and data transfer. First, download the PHASCOPE paint app, turn on the Bluetooth function, and switch on the PHASCOPE paint. Search for the PHASCOPE paint and connect it. Next, create a new application or copy an existing one. For this example, I created a new application. Fill in the application name and other information including block sizes and specification limits. The app will inform you if any required information is missing. Each device comes factory calibrated, ready to use straight out of the box. But to get the highest performance, corrective calibration should be performed to adapt to the substrate material, shape of specimen, and a particular coating thickness level. This is the end of part 1. Next, we have part 2 on normalization and calibration.